Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use PolicyPak Scripts and Triggers to map a drive or do any kind of logon script thing you want after you connect through VPN. And you can do another kind of action like unmap network drives or do any other kind of script when you disconnect from a VPN. So before you get started, you should have your script ready to go. I don't have anything interesting over on my VPN itself, so I'm going to kind of do some stuff locally, but this should give you the idea. So for instance, when I connect to a VPN, wouldn't it be amazing when I create a file called I can echo AAA to a file c:\temp a.text. Hey, look at that. I've created a file. And then when I'm disconnecting from the VPN, I want to delete c:\temp a.text. So these are my two commands. This is going to be my onConnect script, and then my other one will be my disconnect script. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Time to go over to Group Policy Land, or you can do this in PolicyPak MDM land, or you can do this in PolicyPak Cloud land. So what we'll do is we'll go to ppvpn 123. So we'll go ahead and create this group policy object here with the editors. And you can do this on the user or the computer side. I'm going to dive down under PolicyPak on the user side here for this example. Then I'm going to go to Scripts Manager, and I'm going to plunk in that script, add a new policy here, and this policy is going to be a batch script. If you want to do PowerShell or one of the other script types, that's totally fine. You can run the script, which this script will be running fine as the user. If you want to run it as system, you can do that. If you need to run with a user with elevated rights, we can do that too. And you're off to the races. So that's going to be our connect script. We don't need a revert action. What we need is a trigger that says at VPN connect. So at VPN connect for any server at all, or if you want to specify a server, you can do that. Star is usually sufficient for most people. Boom, you're done. On VPN connect, go ahead and make that file happen, or map that drive, or anything else you wanted to do. The next thing we want to do is our disconnect script. So we'll go ahead and make a batch script. Like I said, very simple script. We're just going to delete that file after we disconnect. So I'll just paste that in here. Bing, bing, bing. Click next. And no revert action. We want to make it a trigger. That trigger is going to be on VPN disconnect. And then we will once again say on any server disconnected. And then we're off to the races. That's all there is to it. So I'm going to run GP update and get my policy here. And then the next time I connect to my VPN server, I'll show you that. Well, I'll delete the file first, make sure, well, it is deleted, and then we'll show you at connection, we'll create the file, and at disconnect, we will automatically remove the file. So let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, so just to prove not pulling a fast one on you here, nothing in the temp folder, okay? Here's my VPN connection. PolicyPak trigger will kick in after the VPN connection is completed, and we'll watch that file get created in real time. Again, if this was map a drive, run a whole logon script, do anything you want, that's totally fine. I'm just keeping it simple, and there's my file, all automatic. It did the thing. Now, when it comes time to disconnect, let me go ahead and disconnect here. We have that second trigger, which says on VPN disconnect, what are we going to do? Take another directory here, and bang, delete the file. So just like that, using PolicyPak Scripts and Triggers, you can do any kind of scripty thing you want on a VPN connection and also a VPN disconnection. Hope this video helps you out. Looking forward to getting you started with PolicyPak real soon. Thank you very much.